Fix this with UZZA Beauty Sponge.
I have to tell you about UZZA's makeup sponge. So many features about this that I absolutely love. And the first one is how to incorporate it into your beauty hygiene routine every single day. So number one, it comes with a carrying case. Look at this case, right? So the sponge actually goes inside of this case. As you can see, it has a hole right here. And you can put this into your travel bags or just storage, and what it does is actually protects it from any debris, any fluff or anything like that, which helps because then you're putting all of that dirt back onto your face. So this protective case minimizes all of that. Not only does it just minimize that, this is actually how you can wash the sponge. So you'll actually put the sponge inside of here, put some gentle soap, some mild warm water, and actually this is this is like a silicone, so it's super flexible, and all you have to do is just squeeze. That's it, squeeze, and you're going to clean the sponge. It helps actually clean it, rinse it off, and then there's this little handle that's right here, and all you have to do is just hang it and it's going to dry. So another thing that I absolutely love about this beauty hygiene sponge is where this point is. So if you look at other sponges, you have this flat, which is like circular right here, and then the point is actually on this side. With this UZZA's beauty hygiene sponge, the flat part is all here with this point. So it actually helps when you're putting on makeup into those corners or anything like that. And I absolutely, oh my God, I love that. It definitely gets into those corners with this flat pointed part. And the last thing is, it is so soft. Now look at this. It is so soft. Yes, these other beauty sponges are soft, but it's not as soft as this. Like, look how easy it can squeeze, right? So it is so gentle on your skin that this is like the sponge you should be using for your daily hygiene routine. Absolutely.